Welcome to another tutorial, and today we're gonna go over how to create the Bitfinex API so you get the API key and the secret. All we have to do is go on our user icon on the top right, go to API keys. Here we have the option to create a new API key, and then we just label it as CoinTracking to know for what the API was created for. And then we simply click Generate API Key. Now you have to verify yourself with the two-factor authentication. And we're gonna pull up our phone here, do the verification really quickly. And then you will get again an email with your API where you have to hit confirm. And then once you hit confirm, you will be redirected to a new site and you will see your API key and API secret. If you have any open questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.